こんにちは皆さん。お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today is the expression. So I'm going to show you some useful expressions. In my channel, I make lots of videos and many varieties such as vocabularies, grammars, expressions, or culture, and many types of cultures like karate, bonsai, anime, and so on. So if you like Japanese culture and languages, maybe you can subscribe my channel and you can learn Japanese with me little by little. Okay? So today's lesson is about expressions. Something wa do desu ka? Something wa ikaga desu ka? And here it comes the verb. For example, 仕事はどうですか? How's your work? Or どうですか and いかがですか? The same meaning. How is? How about would you like? But the same way. But どうですか is polite. But いかがですか is much more polite. Well, I'll show you. So 学校はどうですか? How's your school? 学校はどうですか? And many times this は you can omit. 学校どうですか? Like that. Or if I want to see you some days, then I may say 来週の水曜日はどうですか? 来週の水曜日はどうですか? How about next Wednesday? 来週 next week? 水曜日 Wednesday. How about next Wednesday? 来週の水曜日はどうですか? Like this. And the same thing I can say with いかがですか? For example, 来週の水曜日はいかがですか? How about next Saturday? What do you think? And this is more polite. And with this, I can also use for if I'd like to offer you something. For example, コーヒーはいかがですか? コーヒーはいかがですか? Would you like some coffee? How about some coffee? Like that. So, very useful expressions. And いかがですか? This is very, very polite way. And with どうですか? This is the verb どうですか? So you can also use in the past sentence. For example, 日本はどうでしたか? Maybe you went to Japan. So I'd like to ask you, how about Japan for you? 日本はどうでしたか? What did you think of Japan? How about it? So we can use like that in the past sentence too. But and in the last of this video, even if this is expressions, there will be the exam, the quiz. So please stay till the end. Okay? The next expression, いただきます。いただきます。With this kanji, いただきます。いただきます。But you can write in hiragana. いただきます。Well, いただきます. Maybe you know it because I already talked about this いただきます in other video of my expressions. Well, いただきます. Japanese people say いただきます before eating our meal or to drink something. いただきます like this. いただきます and I begin eating. So いただきます. This is our way for the greeting before the meal. いただきます. Well, but today I'm going to explain you the other way. Do you remember? I told you like this. コーヒーはいかがですか? コーヒーはいかがですか? How about some coffee? Then I want this coffee. Then ありがとうございます。いただきます。 ありがとうございます。いただきます。じゃあ、いただきます。So, いただきます。It means, oh, I receive it with honor. Thank you very much. Yes, please. Yes, please. いただきます。いただきます in this way, it is 敬語 form of もらいます。もらいます。もらいます means to receive. Receive. もらいます。It's the contrary of あげます。もらいます。I receive. Well, I still didn't explain about もらいます、あげます like this in my grammar video, but I'm gonna explain it later. So you can learn little by little. But this is like expressions. いただきます。So I receive with honor. Well, I told you this is just like the もらいます。I receive. And in Japan, or in Japanese language, we've got 敬語。敬語 This is a very respectful way to speak. And in 敬語 there are two versions. The one to respect someone to elevate that person. And the other one, for me, I make it lower stance. That we call 謙譲語。謙譲語 because I make it a lower stance than the other people. Then this いただきます is that one. 謙譲語 lower stance. いただきます because I receive. Please, so please, would you like some coffee? Yes, please. いただきます I receive. So maybe you can say, あ、どうもありがとうございます。いただきます。じゃあ、いただきます。いただきます。I receive. So, do you remember? コーヒーはいかがですか？あ、どうもありがとうございます。いただきます。Like this. This is the way to say いただきます。I receive. Now let's learn very polite way of refusal. For example, コーヒーをもっといかがですか？コーヒーもっといかがですか？もっといかがですか？ Would you like some more? Would you like some more? もっと is more. もっといかがですか？ Then I don't want any more. So I say, あ、いいえ、もう結構です。もう結構です。No, thank you. I had enough. もう結構です。もう already 結構です。I had enough. もう結構です。Maybe in the food, the case of food or the drinks, maybe you can say, いいえ、もう結構です。ごちそうさまでした。いいえ、もう結構です。ごちそうさまでした。Well, ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさま。This is the contrary of いただきます。Well, いただきます was before we eat something. いただきます。And ごちそうさま we finish the meal. Then we say ごちそうさま。ごちそうさまでした。I finished this meal. That was a very, very delicious meal. ごちそうさまでした。ごちそう。That is a delicious meal. ごちそうさまでした。Thank you for this meal. ごちそうさまでした。Like this. So, いいえ、もう結構です。ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。No, thank you. I had enough. Like this. This is very, very polite way of refusal. Well, this 結構です has got another meaning. Well, the first one we already learned about. No, I don't want any more. もう結構です。But this 結構です。It means it's okay. There's no problem. So it's okay. Don't worry, it's okay. This is 結構です。Or many times we say 結構ですよ。結構ですよ。Do you know how to use this よ? We can say 結構です or 結構ですよ. This よ we use in the last part of the sentence, and it means that I'm informing you. So this is kind of information that I'm giving you. So I inform you, that's all right. 結構ですよ. Like this. Well, this よ is used in the conversational way. For example, it was a very, very, very nice day, fine day, but oh, 雨ですよ。雨ですよ. Oh, it's raining. But because I'm informing you, oh, it was very, very fine, but now it's raining. 雨ですよ. Like this. Or if I say これは鉛筆です。これは鉛筆です。I'm only saying this is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is the statement. But if I say これは鉛筆ですよ。これは鉛筆ですよ。It means I'm informing you. This is not a ball pen or ball pointed pen. Or this is a pencil. You know, this is a pencil. これは鉛筆ですよ。これは鉛筆ですよ。Like this, because this is information. Or if I'm going to buy something, then I realize, oh, I forgot my purse. Then I'd like to ask somebody, can I use my credit card? クレジットカードでもいいですか？クレジットカードでもいいですか？あ、結構ですよ。はい、結構ですよ。Like, well, it's okay. No problem. 結構ですよ。So, 結構です。It's just like in another phrase like いいです。いいですよ。Or 大丈夫ですよ。No problem. 大丈夫ですよ。Like this. 結構ですよ。So it's very useful. Something. Is it okay? Okay, can I do this? 結構ですよ。Like this. Now, quiz time. So let's enjoy this quiz. This is going to be the 10 questions. And the first 5 is dictation. I'm going to tell you in Japanese, and you write it in hiragana, katakana, and if you can, also in kanji. It depends on your level. And if you can answer this phrase, you may answer it using adjectives and many, many other things. Okay? But if you cannot, don't worry. It's okay, only dictation. 1番目。学校はいかがですか？学校はどうですか？学校はどうですか？学校 There's a 2, small 2 and こう the long one. 学校はどうですか？ If you can, please answer it. But if you cannot, okay, no problem. 2番目。ビールはいかがですか？ビールはいかがですか？ビールはいかがですか？ Maybe you can answer it. So it's not so difficult. ビールはいかがですか？ビール。This is gonna be in カタカナ。Okay? ビールはいかがですか？じゃあ、3番目。会社はいかがですか？会社はいかがですか？会社はいかがですか？会社はいかがですか？ It's a little bit difficult to answer, but if you are advanced student, maybe you can answer these questions too. 4番目。奥さんの病気はいかがですか？ 奥さんの病気はいかがですか？奥さんの病気、病気、病気、illness、病気、B よ、スモールよ、病、long、病気、illness。奥さん is your wife. So maybe you can just imagine, then you can answer it if you can, okay? 奥さんの病気はいかがですか？奥さんの病気はいかがですか？5番目、No.5、5番目。土曜日はどうですか？土曜日はどうですか？土曜日、土曜日、土曜日はどうですか？ So maybe I wanna see you. So 土曜日はどうですか？土曜日はどうですか？ Okay? Then now, No.6. But from here, I'm going to tell you in English. And you're going to translate into Japanese. Just like you are a translator. Okay? 6番目、6番目。How about some cake? How about some cake? 7番目。Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. 8番目。How about more wine? How about more wine? How about some more wine? 9番目。9番目。Oh, no, thank you. No, thank you. I had already enough. No, thank you. No, thank you. I had already enough. The last one. 10番目。10番目。That's okay. No problem. That's okay. No problem. できましたか？どうでしたか？ Do you think this video was useful for you? Please give me your comment and suggestions too. If you like this video, please give me a like, and if you share with your friends my videos, that will be very, very nice for me. That helped me so much. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like. 今日もここまで見てくださってどうもありがとうございます。では、チャンネル登録といいねボタンとコメント、そしてお友達とシェアしていただけたらとてもとても嬉しいです。お願いします。じゃあ、また会いましょう。バイバイ、またね。